8 bersikulo 20, mao gyud na ang atong pundasyon. Dili gyud na siya mabag-o. Sumala gyud sa mabasa. Thus saith the Lord. Karon, kay kana man ang atong basihan, sumala sa volume 5, all points of doctrine, even though they have been accepted as truth, should be brought to the law and to the testimony. If they cannot stand this test, there is no light in them. Bisan maayo pang speaker, inilag yun, maayong musulti. Pero kung dili gani kabarog aning test, there is no light in them. Useless ra na. Kung bersikulo laway kapitulo dila ra na. Masabda nato na kana kamatuoran kumugamit ta og to the law and to the testimony. Di na gani mo gamit ana, magduda na ka. Baka dadon lang tas mga sulti ba. So dili na to the law and to the testimony gyud ang atong kuan kay muna ang batayan kung kahayag o dili. Great controversy. To the law and to the testimony. While conflicting doctrines and theories abound, the law of God is the one unerring rule by which all opinions, doctrines, and theories are to be tested. Says the prophet, if they speak not according to this word, it is because there is no light in them. Kay kanang testimony, mauna siya ang testimony of Jesus.